Yung nagkabanggaan yung Chinese Coast Guard at Chinese Navy, you were earlier quoted the saying na, or tweeting I think, na mukhang may casualties on the side of the Chinese. Have we been able to confirm this or validate this? Sino po yung ating source?
Kaya confirm ni Ronald yan kasi isa lang pinagkukunan namin ng information.
Ikaw naman pala, hindi ka umiimik dyan eh.
Yung ano yan mga split second, mga 1 or 2 seconds before impact, kita naman natin
Yes,
sa
sir.
video
You
na
can see the
naglalabas
figures,
ng bumpers yung may naglalabas ng bumpers. Paano pa silang iiwas doon? Kung 1 second na lang, inutusan sila ng ship captain. Alam mo, ang blessing, hindi natin pwede sabihin blessing kasi kung may namatay talaga, no? Kasi ang diyan is, bago ngayon pa lang nagde-develop talaga yung Navy ng China eh. Actually, before itong day and age of technology ng China, nasa mga 50 years behind sila sa Amerika pagdating sa mga naval, being naval power. So, nauna yung kanilang equipage, yung kanilang mga equipment, kaysa sa training ng kanilang mga crew, yung magiging So, ang malamang na nangyari dyan, ako, nag-speculate lang ako. Kulang pa yung training ng ship captain, kaya nabangga yung Chinese Coast Guard. Moderno yung kanilang, yung yung People's Liberation Army Navy ship. Pero hindi pa masyadong trained yung captain, kaya nagkaroon ng mishap.
Tapos tayo, sanay tayo.
Swerte yung ating Philippine Coast Guard. Ayokong tawagin blessing kasi kung medyo obvious na may namatay talaga.
Pero confirmed na hinahabol yung ating Coast Guard.
Akita naman natin eh. Tsaka may report naman yung Philippine Coast Guard eh. Nagre-resupply sila pero yun nga, tinataboy sila ng may kaagapay ng iba na ngayon eh. Kasi dati puro Chinese Coast Guard yung nandun eh. Ngayon may kaagapay ng PLA Navy eh. Ship eh.
You find this a source of concern? Biglang may gray ships
Yes.
na engaging us directly?
Definitely. You can just imagine kung ang naram doon yung Philippine Coast Guard vessel at may namatay tayong mga crew.
Pero for the first time din, Senator.
That could trigger the Mutual Defense Treaty. Yun ang nakakatakot.
Pero for the first time din, Senator, may dalawang American battleships in the same area.
Wag sana mangyari ang iniisip natin na posibleng mangyari kasi magti-trigger talaga ng ng World War III. Wala namang winner sa World War eh.
Yung mga ipis lang.
Sir, so kung tayo nabangga tapos may namatay sa atin, you think that would trigger already the MDT? Even if it's not
possible.
Even if it's
Hindi
not
ako
weapons?
sure sa wordings ng kung armed attack or attack on a public vessel eh. Basta ang malinaw doon, pagka na-attack yung public vessel ng either US or Pilipinas, magti-trigger ng Mutual Defense Treaty. It is as if ang in-attack yung public vessel ng kabilang